hey guys, welcome to Prim and Proper's Proper Eats. Now in the backdrop I got the world famous Marina Bay Sands and the Singapore Flyer and some of the expressways. Now Singapore is known for being the food capital of the world. Walk 50 steps this way or any direction and you will find food.
And also in this series, I want to bring you around to show you food that is mainly or only found in Singapore.
But in today's video, we're going to focus on Indian Muslim food,
which is something all Singaporeans are familiar with as we grew up around it. Now, Indian Muslim food is a fusion of both Indian and Malay cuisine. Oh, and this is my girlfriend Chloe. She'll be in the second part of the video. Do check out my other travel videos if you want to see more of her.
Before we begin this video, as usual, please like and share and subscribe to my channel. And even if you don't press that like button because of me, do it because of the view. Okay, but enough talk, let's get out of here, even though it's really pretty. And let's get down to eating.
Oh, and I couldn't speak here because it was too noisy at the time, but this is just across the street from my place, as you'd find a store like this anywhere in Singapore. And this, by the way, is a Milo dinosaur. It's supposed to be jumbo in size, but I ordered the small one. Basically, it's a chocolate milk drink topped with its own cocoa Milo powder and condensed milk, making it a bit too sweet for my taste. Oh, that's the buzzer for me to get the food I wanted to show you guys. Are you ready? And this massive thing is a tissue prata, with a side dish of curry and egg prata. Basically, tissue prata is a thin dough fried on a large hot flat pan, and it's topped with lots of sugar, though you can't see it. And a must-have with all prata is curry. In this case, it's fish flavored. And did you know, traditionally, most Indian Muslim food is eaten with your right hand, like the guy seen here in red. So let me start with the egg prata and fish curry. Although it sounds a bit weird, fish curry is preferred to be eaten together with prata as it has more flavor, unlike chicken, which is slightly flat in taste. But what do you guys think, chicken or fish? Oh, and I just want to say that this was my first time doing a food series. I thought I was recording the eating of the tissue prata, but guess what? I didn't press the record button hard enough on my GoPro. So here are shots of the tissue prata again. It was honestly just thin and wafer-like with sugar on top. But did you know lots of people eat prata with sugar in Singapore? So after my first failed food video attempt, I decided to go eat something more unique. And can you guess what this is? It's tulang merah and soup tulang on the left.
Now, one thing about Indian Muslim restaurants is that they have a smorgasbord of like stuff. Like, you can order anything from Indian food to even Western stuff, and there's even some Chinese. But we came here today for this. Oops. Okay, we gotta get the plates because it's gonna get really messy. And of course, we have to have drinks. This is teh alia. Basically, it's just ginger tea, milk tea, iced, because it's really hot. Okay, and this is tulang, which is basically mutton marrow and lots of meat. And the funny thing is that when they give you bread, it comes with straws because you actually have to suck out the marrow. And my girlfriend ordered the mutton soup. I can't tip it because it will spill, so yeah, here it is, the mutton soup. Let's try the sauce, let's try the gravy. Okay, see, it's really red. It's supposed to be spicy, but it's not. The sauce is really very muttony and it's slightly spicy, but it's great. You can see that, such a big freaky chunk. Tulang, if I'm not wrong, is mutton or bone, and merah is red. Don't worry, we're just starting with the outside part. The fun part is inside. To be honest, there's not much meat. The funny thing is, if the girlfriend runs out of lipstick, let me use the bread to wipe my fingers. Oh, something special happened while I knocked it. There you go, there's the marrow. Oh, it's the marrow, so jiggly. Has this very hollow sort of taste to it. It tastes like mutton, but like the essence has been sucked out, literally. But it's still good. Let me use a straw to show you. Okay. Straws inside. I don't know if you can see the difference between my two hands. Apparently this one is more red. Bone marrow is pretty good for you because it contains more vitamins and minerals than the meat itself. So, oh yeah, and it has a lot of collagen, so you girls out there who are vain, want to keep your skin really smooth, you have to eat this. And in my absent-mindedness, I forgot to give you a review of how the mutton soup is. It's a bit spicy, but not chili spicy. It's very peppery, but it's really nice. Oh yeah, just a tip, when you're ordering the check or the bill, you can call them politely with the word bang. You know, like B-A-N-G, like bang but pronounced B-U-N-G, bang. So. Now you don't only need to come here for the tulang or soup tulang. There are a lot more items on the menu which you can order. Like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, a whole smorgasbord of items. So whenever you're in Singapore, come down to any of these Indian Muslim stalls and you won't be disappointed.